Wearing jersey number 12, Don Chumahansi. Shooting guard jersey number 9, Alex Fabian. Ball forward jersey number 1, Andres Montejar. Ball forward jersey number 8 is Chip Garcia. And
welcome mga kabowlers. This is our semi-finals. It's between Khalifa versus RBI. The dark horse RBI Ignites versus the powerhouse Khalifa. So you will also witness the showdown of Christopher the Gladiator Gupit versus Sam Cashier Baby Drew Jule RC. So guys, pa-share naman po ng live natin. So it's a crossover. So kung sino yung mananalo, diretso na po sa championship. Shout out Erico Dave Perez. Bola ng Khalifa. Out of bounds. And the possession will now go to RBI Ignite. But there was a wrong communication dun. Christopher Gupit early making his presence felt here against RBI Ignite. So, hindi po natin, we cannot still predict, no? Coach Marcy, Coach, ito yung Aquidao Lego, Coach, na, Coach, na championship. Good luck ko na Seresali, Coach. Kuha niya si Coach Matik Yase. Matik Yase Southern. So, nagbutalak. Inter-school invitational. So, it will be Kosiken Bakalala Southern versus Ceriles. Uric James, shout out. Hindi starting 5. Si Kenneth Aleria. Anong team ba siya? Vibe ay hindi, Coach. Debe asi agad klaro. De klaro asi, Coach. Alikada Giganto. Norben. Escalanya. Shoutout na miyo anak from Ma'am Jefferson Mesida from Jeff Boy. 2-0 pa rin guys yung score natin dito. Jacob, easy basket. Jule RC toying his opponents. And leading si Jule RC for our assist and scorer at the same time. Good luck, RBI, Erico Dave Perez. Good luck, RBI from Jade Austero. So guys, kung napanood nyo yung game kagabi, grabe. Solid, parang championship na yung game kagabi. Haneas versus, DMS Hanea versus AAH CST. The biggest upset. Most probably the biggest upset. Shoutout SEC Bulldogs sa Kinagutalak Finals versus Pagadian. Good luck, Colosedes Ali. Make Sambuangueños proud. Sabi kat yun na kayang-kaya lang sila, ano, with the caliber of the southern players. Klaro yan. Shoutout Raver Kinday, Rainier Kinday, May Solano Kinday from Rogelio Kinday Jr. Possession will stay with RBI Ignites. But there was a steal by Gupit. Christopher the Gladiator Gupit. Shoutout Wayne Camins. Official running score natin 8-5. In favor of Khalifa. 10 to shoot in the shot clock. Gallo to try that 3 points pero hindi rin pumasok. Shoutout Kundayaw, bangko lang numanay. Ito ay patamin. Stepping. Good luck, RBI. Lalo na sa aking kambal, si Jule RC. Another steal there by Khalifa. At hindi nga lang na-convert. Easy basket by Khalifa. Magandang laban to guys. Lumalaban ng RBI. The Dark Horse RBI is not backing down against the powerhouse team Khalifa. This will be an interesting matchup. Of course, kung sino ang talo will fight for third. Shoutout to Rafi from Aaron Shane Ramos. So once again, good luck to Southern Zamboanga City represents for there in Gutalak Inter-School Invitational Game. Jule RC. Grabe si Jule RC, oh. Ganda sana ang assist, no? And that timeout is brought to you by Agelab Concept Store, Mayor John Dalipet, Zensation, ERBL, Alavar, Adam Buanga Valientes, Blue Harvest, Tres Marias Tailoring, The Exclusive Shop, 89.9 Brigada News FM, Croc Sports, ang Kings Collection, S3 Prints and Apparels, and of course, ang mahang basketballista ng Pilipinas. Makaaso, shout out ma'am. Maano yung Makaaso? Kosa sa Makaaso? Makaaso, kosa sa Makaaso? Good luck, RBI.
Standing first. The win.
Grabe si Gupit. Baga, ano tawag dyan? Never say die sa shoot na yun. Shout out, Merce Wayne Kamins. Pa-shout man from Radskan Hassan. Shout out Marco Jumaos Tireka. Hiron Enrico. Uy, wala pa yung mother ni Mark. Sabi ng mother ni Mark, ano daw? Ni Marco pala, may Starbucks. Itay pala namin, ma'am. Yung SB. And mamaya guys, Ibn Rizam versus the Giant Slayer DMS Hanea. So kung napanood nyo yung laro kagabi, grabe. They defeated the mighty AAH ZST. But of course, congratulations, and we are so proud here in Big Fundamental Basketball for bagging the championship title in SEAP by Pilar College basketball team. Shout out, ma'am. Good luck sa little bro ko, Jul RC from Shine Jul RC. Shout out niyo Kamal Jul RC. Pa-shoutout sa Adebayo ng talon-talon Radskan Hassan. Jacob, may Jacob Fabian, may Christopher Gupit. So, parang struggling pa sa depensa yung RBI, kung sino ba talaga yung didepensa nila, kasi kung si Fabian merong Gupit, kung yung dalawa naman may Dolar, may Gallo, so walang tapon for Khalifa. But of course, the RBI will not be in this semi-final rounds for nothing. They really earned their with blood and sweat just to earn the spot here in the semi-finals. So you cannot just discredit and undermine this potential RBI Ignites. So this will be an interesting matchup, guys. Shout out ang iniidolong sports therapist natin dito sa Zamboanga, Justin De Pamilo. Go RBI. Mama is watching from CI. Ay, on travel galit to Lisa Ara. Pa-shoutout, ma'am. Bash Amnang. Hello po sa lahat. 115 viewers. Thank you po for watching our live game. The ever dearest supportive viewer from day one, Ma'am Doribel Balyon. Shoutout po sa inyo. Hope you're watching hope you're enjoying the game. 18-8. That's still there by RBI. Dalawang Fabian pala nandito. May Fabian din sa RBI. Ang haba ng mga kamay niyan. Yung torso. Shout out Julian Dado. Guys, pa-share naman po ng live natin. Jul RC manning the ball here for RBI. That was a tough shot. Hindi nga lang na pumasok. Calyolyo. Pa-shoutout daw, ma'am, si Aljaber Sakib. Shoutout sa inyo dyan. Pa-shoutout sa AH, ma'am. Bawi kami next season. goods na rin guys, no? Because you brought pride and honor para sa Zamboanga City from Andraser Abdul. Yes, marami pa kayong opportunities makabawi. And that timeout is brought to you by Angel Love Concept Store, Mayor John Dalipe, Sensation, FJE Graphics, ERPL, Alavar, Adex, Zamboanga Valientes, Blue Harvest, Tres Marias Tailoring, The Exclusive Shop, 89.9 Brigada News FM, Croc Sports, King's Collection, SG Print and Apparel, and of course, sa mga basketballista ng Pilipinas. Thank you so much to our supportive sponsors, you know, who believe in our vision to give quality leagues for our young players. Julian Dado, shout out. Ay, shout na. Shout. So, ano lang, send your comments and I will be reading all your messages. Grabe si Calolo, wreaking havoc dito. Lumalaban talagang mga RBI. Of course, wala nang bukas guys. Championship na tayo. Shoutout daw ma'am kun Umay Jul RC from Bash Amana. Shoutout kun Radskan Hassan Balebelo from Darial Calamba. Guys, wala nang there's no tomorrow. It's win or nothing dito. Lamang na guys ang RBI ng isang puntos with a dagger. 1-point lead. Shoutout to Django from Angeles. Good luck number 14 from Gwyneth Kia. Shoutout Kambal to RC. Technical foul. Technical foul ang tinawag laban sa RBI for rescinding a call. Sayang yung momentum na yun. Tirang 3 points na yun for RBI. Grabe si Christopher Green. Kaya bagay pala sa kanyang blood dito. Nalala ko si Gupit dati sa 15 under. Totoy na totoy pala. Ngayon mamang-mama na. Bumalik na sa lamang guys sa ito, Khalifa. Thank you so much to our viewers, 172 viewers. Kevin Dollar is on the charity line. Pasok yung unang tiro na yun. Extending the lead for Khalifa. Missing that second throw, pero nakuha na ang Khalifa yung bola. Umaya. Jul toying his opponent. Grabe itong ball handling between RC. Baby Drew! Grabe nga. Parang nilalaro lang yung kalaban niya. Shoutout Gupit Mamo Bye from J. Richard Santillan. Just a 2-point lead ng Khalifa, but extending once again by Gupit. We're almost ending the first quarter. Alejandro, wala po tayong twice to beat. Kasi crossover po tayo. So walang na-eliminate. So walang twice to beat. Umawi nga lang sa 3 points. Balik sa 5 ang kalamangan ng Khalifa. We have best of 3 series. So best of 3 series po tayo, guys. First game. Game 1 will be on March 7. Then game 2 will be on March 9. So in the event that will be forced to have a game 3, that will be on the following day, March 10. That is a Sunday. So may dami pang possibilities dito, guys.
They won with round 43 seconds. 1.3 seconds remaining time. Boli, Sobuanga Valiente, and by tuning in for Dream tomorrow, Hartsfield University. City of Sobuanga, headed by our York Country, the exclusive shop, added advertising at the Great End of World, at the B, Rock Sports, Brigada News and Beth Sobuanga, FJD, Rugby, 200, from Client Theory, Sensation Sports, the leader of the Mr. DJ Langlani, and Chairman of the World, Mr. Omar Basili.
Dale space, please.
Paurong. Dito na lang kayo.
Paano tamaan?
Urong ng bag. Hey, dito kayo.
Sound check. So pinapaurong na natin, guys. Pinapano natin ng space para dun sa live natin.
Now, here's number 1 of Kevin Villar, his fourth personal foul, and first team foul for Team Khalifa.
If I heard it right, fourth personal foul.
That's our
Wala na, nagtatut ng tres dito sa ating first game. Masyad, idol, Gupit, Go Khalifa. Ala siya, boss, bawal kita niya. Good evening, ma'am. Shane, see you. Sobra from Team Ibn Sam. Yes, ito yung mga supportive din talaga. Especially mga parents ng Ibn Sam. Napaka-supportive, napaka-competitive din talaga. So,
the bridge.
Grabe si Gupit.
Big timeout.
Pa-shoutout. Anak Sub. NBD. NBD. Abo. Nakayos.
Taking the foul. Double taking the foul on jersey number 14, that's Theo Gallo, and jersey number 9, Hans Fabian.
Gallo and...
Right, taking the foul on jersey number 9, Hans Fabian Corbell.
Grabe yung pisikalan dito, guys. First half pa lang po tayo, wala pa po tayo kalahati sa second quarter, pero grabe na yung pisikalan. Kasi alam nila na this is a win or go home game. If you want to stay in that championship, so you need to really work hard. You really have to fight tooth and nail. Abante, 33. Official.
Sorry, it's not a corner ball, it's technical foul on jersey number 5, with number 2.
33-26.
Third personal foul and third team foul for Jim Khalifa.
So kung ayaw nyo ma-technical, huwag na sigurong reklamo ng reklamo.
Ball possession will remain for the RBI.
Parang, fall out niya si Fabian, no?
Ako yan, fall out yan.
Fall out niya, Keber to first half pa lang. Take Shane, what's up, Gemini? Ken ba te si
Stay ball, substitution, James W. for the beat. 30 seconds to shoot for Team RBI. All the way to the basket, Dale Gallo. Rolling.
Traveling. Pasharat is from JR Jimenez. Then foul out, goal si Fabian.
Is here to go for beyond.
Lord Diot, shout out.
Foul on this 18, the Thunder is first personal foul and fourth team foul for Team Khalifa.
Time out.
Timeout, Team RBI.
RBI, golden timeout.
Representing for RBI and one person
Angela Concept Store. So Angela Concept Store has myriad of choices. If you want some hats and caps, they have Europe. If you just simply shirts, if you fancy oversized shirts or shirts that are so lit, they also have their DBTK. But if you're a sneakerhead, ayan, syempre, they have aftermarket. Thank you so much,
Later on
Angela.
for our second game, it will be Quick Janegas versus Team Agent Rita. Yan po ang ating second game for the semi-final round for Big Fundamental Basketball 18 Under League Season 2.
So, malapit na po tayong matapos sa ating 18 under. Perhaps we'll be proceeding with our 15 under or 21 under. Titingnan natin kung...
5.
sayang yung mga biro. Nice one. Yung hindi talaga nag-give up, yun yung mga players na napakagandang tingnan.
The individual ball is number 2, that's Adante.
Forget
His
everything.
first personal foul and first
They
team
will die for the
second
ball
team
just
foul for Team RBI.
to get a basket. Kita mo yung anak Mark Dill Kumayaw.
Here it goes for jersey number 18. That's Ando.
The mother, Darwin.
Subdivision Kumayaw 8 for Ando.
Ma'am, nandiyan na po si Kumayaw. Guarding Jewel RC. Pasyalan kay Boss AK Hasim from Don MJ. Nice pass.
Garcia from Montejon.
Official running score 39-30. Araneta with that monster rebound. Shout out from Kabasalan, Nasir. PJ. Another man down. I hope it's just a simple sprain. Grabe at pisikala na guys. 18 under pa lang. Grabe siya sa sprain lang. Nothing serious. I think that's Calyolo. Calyolo, the big man pa talaga na RBI.
Ball seven to shoot for Team Khalifa.
Bola ng Khalifa. Thank you, Sir Omar Basiri, for the goal.
Offense violation for Team Khalifa.
Well, that's basketball, guys. Sabi nga nila, kung ayaw
Foul away from the ball. There's
ayaw
number
daw
12. That's
masaktan,
Kumayaw. His first
unless
person
if it's
down.
deliberately done,
Fourth
that's
team ball for Team Khalifa. Warning for penalty.
Alejandro for easy basket. Sa ibang liga nga, sinusubok na under tawag dyan, underneath. Wala pang foul tinatawag.
His deep for jersey number 34. That's Araneta.
Sayang, that was a bad pass there.
Ball rotation for
Pag
Team
ikaw
Khalifa.
naghahabol, you
Subdivision.
cannot afford to commit
Lupit in for Jim
those
Sawyer.
errors. You can just minimize or you can just avoid.
6 minutes to go. We're 10 guarded for you.
Valyo. Kumayaw, Araneta.
Ball rotation for Team RBI.
Shout out Humpty Dump, Catanero from Lawrence, Palapan. Grabbing double team kay Jewel RC because they know that Jewel RC can be that deadly. Nice patience. Hindi puwersa ni Alejandro yung shot na yun. And he really finds an open teammate there na mas madaling makashoot. Easy basket. 5 points na lang. Shout kay Embot, aka Kuya ni Lorna.
That should count for Dale Valio. Foul on this number 2, that's Adante. His second personal foul.
His second foul.
Third team foul for Team RBI. One free throw for Dale Dalio.
That free throw is brought to you by Sensation. So after dito, magpapamasahe talaga ako dyan sa Sensation. San Luis checking in.
Foul on this number 13, San Luis.
Baby Giant,
His
San
first
Luis.
personal foul.
Grabe tong si San Luis.
Team Calibo penalty, two free throws for
Tatangkad pa talaga
Garcia.
ito. Ngayon pa lang super tangkad na. Tatangkad na itong bata. Ano kayang kinakain ng mga batang to? Patang tatangkad nila. Shout out kay Nazir Ilgenpetix from Lawrence, Palabay. And that free throw, digs in.
47-43, 5.3 na lang, or 6.3 ang laman.
Christopher Gupit.
Christopher Gupit, making it 8 points again, leading by 8. Ang ating team Calibo.
Grabe, pinapahirapan talaga nila si Jun RC.
8-second violation for Team RBI.
Pinapahirapan talaga nila si Jun RC. Let's go, Edson San Luis at si Palabay. Ito yung mano.
22. 5.
Daming extra passes din. Tumira.
21-second shot clock violation for Team RBI.
Sana tumira na
Or
lang.
rather, Team Calibo.
Kahit mintis at least tumira.
Now, this is 24, that's Alejandro. His second personal foul, fourth team foul for the RBI. Warren for penalty.
Sound check, sound check. Support Anay Debo Hermano Lawrence Palabay from Nasser Gino. Go Go RBI from Daphne Murillo. Arriba RBI. Jacob Fabian. Extending now the lead. Pero sumagot doon si Jul RC. Grabe to si Jul RC. Another points for Gupit. Sa batong batang to. Dami nag-steal ng Khalifa. Back to back for Gupit. Pa-shoutout ma'am from James Gerald Benigay. Foul on Jacob Fabian. Penalty for Baby Drew RC, and that free throw is brought to you by S3 Print and Apparel. So guys, kung gusto yung umorder po ng shirt, please, you can just message us on our page. Napakaganda po ng shirts ng S3 Print and Apparel. Another point for Gupit. Gupit na yung kalaban kay Christopher Gupit. But of course, RBI is still there. Guys, second quarter pa lang po tayo. Dami pa pong pwedeng mangyari at nangyari na sa previous games po natin. So you never can tell. Shout out Vincent Rivera from Jackie Reigns. That was a miss by RBI and the ball will go to Khalifa. Ronnie Gallio now manning. Pero yun lang na steal. Alejandro, I think. Mondehar. Mondehar. Napakalit ni Mondehar. Kaya minsan talagang advantage ng mga maliliit. Christopher Gupit again. Grabe si Gupit. Parang he's doing it all for Khalifa. Grabe si Jule Arce. But there was an interception there. Muntikan pang ma-miss to ni Gallio. Alejandro. Manang matangkad. Ando. Tanzon, yeah, El Khalifa. Mondehar answering that 3-point at 2-point.
RBI subdivision in Araneta East for Gallio and Rubin.
So, pinaupo muna si Gallio at si Rubin. Take some rests first. Since lamang naman sila. Jule Arce. Kung pumasok yun, ako pang highlights talaga.
Mina is first person back. Ruben Rose for jersey number 12, maybe through Jule Arce.
Coach Glenn is watching. Coach, anong oras po laro niyo? Or tapos na po ba, Coach? Sayang, hindi pumasok yung mga free throws ni Jule Arce. Pa-shoutout Ma'am Shane to Patpat and Nonoy. Mami Sheng watching here. Noy pa entra si Nonoy. Si Patpat. Ivan Falcasano, shout po Austin Lozano Escalanya, the Daredevil. Good luck on Cedes ni Ivan and the rest of the team. So, proud good kami kay Chinea Entrade Zamboanga na championship round. Southern. Of course, Southern. Cinematic sa Southern. Noy pa sila Perdition. Noy pa Perdition.
Hindi tayo mantext mo siya. Mantext ko din ating secretary.
Ano? Nagpapakitang gilas sino si Ano. Kanino kayang shoot na yun? Grabe bata, agawang parang bata talaga. Ang cute talaga tingnan ni Mondehar. Inaagaw yung bola. Time out. Khalifa and by Angela, Mayor John Dalipe, FJ Graphics, Sensation by Doc Lori Sam, Aerosol Events, of course, Alavar, Adex, Zamboanga Valientes, Blue Harvest, Tres Maria Cellaring, The Exclusive Shop, 89.9 Brigada News FM, Croc Sports, ang Kings Collection, Esri Prints and Apparels, and of course, ang Mahang Basketballista ng Pilipinas. Thank you so much guys for tuning in dito sa ating first game pa lamang dito sa Big Fundamental Basketball 18 under, no zone defense rules. So second game po will be Ibdarizam versus the Giant Slayer, who slayed AAH ZSC last night with an impressive performance. Will they be able to make a repeat, or will they bid goodbye to their journey towards championship on March 7th? So we have a game best of 3 series. Lumalayo na guys, lamang ng Khalifa. Dapat hindi na pinapasa yun. Jewel RC. And that ends our second quarter of this ball game. So we'd like to thank our sponsors, AG Lab Concept Store, Mayor John Dalipe, FJ Graphics, Sensation, ERBL, Alavar, Adex, Zamboanga Valientes, Blue Harvest, Tres Marias Tailoring, The Exclusive Shop, 89.9 Brigada News FM, Croc Sports, a Kings Collection, Esri Print Apparel, and of course, Mahang Basketballista ng Pilipinas. So, thank you guys, and it's going to be a best of 3 series. Game 1 will be on March 7th. That is a Thursday. March 9 will be our game 2. Awarding po natin yan. So, you can place your bet now. Will be the Mythical 5, our season MVP, best coach, and of course, kung sino yung magiging finals MVP din natin. So, ang daming potential guys for the Mythical 5, for season MVP. So, ang dami talagang potential dito. Madami tayong discovery, no? Dito sa Big Fundamental Basketball. Ang dami talagang Manila caliber na material, big schools material na talaga. So, yun, just watch out kung sino-sino yun guys during sa awarding. And syempre, may mga pakulo din kami. Ayan. Para sa inyo lang guys, yung pakulo yun. So, watch out for that. Syempre, para enjoy din ng lahat ng mga viewers natin and yung mga manonood dito sa venue. Now we are on our third quarter. Palapit na ng palapit bago natin malalaman kung sino ba ang who will take the first seat for the championship on March 7th. Bola ng RBI. Easy basket there for Calyolo. Calyolo is now he looks now okay after that limping pain kanina. So thank you to Sir Omar para sa ating cold compress.
49-66, formation 4 in favor of Team Khalifa.
Fabian. Easy basket for Fabian. Go Khalifa. Hello po, late ang Mother Earth. Ayan na, ang mother ni Marco Chumawas. Kyle, sabi ni Ma'am last game, may Starbucks daw tayo. Thank you Ma'am sa Starbucks. Go Khalifa. Paano po ba i-pronounce yung name nyo, Ma'am? Jufal Rouge. Go RBI from Amshdi Kankula. Good luck both teams from Butso Omar. Saan po ang venue? Plano talaga namin sa Coliseum, pero yung Coliseum will be under renovation na and they won't allow any more games sa Coliseum. So, dito pa rin sa Golden Boys where we started. Alejandro for the trifecta. O, dito lang tayo, Bunso. Go Khalifa. Thanks po sa live, Ma'am Shane. Thank you, pinakakapon kami na kahit nasa bahay lang po. You're welcome po. Basta may Starbucks lang po kami. Wala pa kaming dinner, guys, pero fights lang. Shoutout, Clark Kent Enriquez. Regards na to you, mother. Let's go, Khalifa, from Sir Omar Lebron James Alamia. Ipasok si number 6 Abaw ng Khalifa. From Gabriel Pakatang. Keep working, RBI. Shoutout, number 24, Clyder Deloso. Another damage for Kupit. Grabe. Good performance, Nak. Andyan na po sa dalaga ko, ma'am, na. Grabe. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Timing lang, ma'am. Nandito na kami sa may bench po. Thank you so much, madam. And ingat po kayo dyan. And shoutout sa lahat ng mga modern day heroes po natin all over the world. Hindi biro yung ginagawa nilang sacrifices na mawalay sa kanilang mahal sa buhay just to give the best life and best future for their kids. Shoutout ko na din Menor Ando, 29 RBI. Imagine na RBI, Chene Fabian. Na Khalifa, Chene Fabian. RBI, Chene Ando. Na Khalifa naman, Chene Ando. Kasi ba sila, ano ba? Related? Watching from Tuguegarao City from Jewelry Alain Borse. 56-74 still in favor of. Break a leg, baby Drew. Yes. He's breaking the legs of his opponents. And of course, Khalifa knows the caliber of Jewel RC. That's why they are double teaming, triple teaming lahat na. I think their focus is on Jewel RC. But every time Jewel RC is being defended, Mondehar and Alejandro are also exploding. RBI is not backing down here.
Okay, approval sila man yan at singit ka nato kung sila bakante ora.
Muntikan pang magka-error doon ng RBI.
Hindi, yan kasi approval kung pwede manana. Actually, sila appointment manana. Kung pwede sila
Nice rebound there for Garcia.
afternoon ka sila.
Another 3 for Fabian. No good. Jewel RC once again with the ball. Jewel RC.
Okay, man, schedule naman. Schedule naman.
Hindi ka pang mag-highlights. Bangko si Hans Fabian. The RBI, I think foul down. Second quarter pa lang. Sana all may pagkain. Thank you so much, Ibn Rizam. Baka naman, guys, may sobra kayong pagkain dyan. Di pa kumakain yung cameraman nyo dito. Alejandro. Pero na-snatch dun. Fabian. Another 2 for Gupit. He's really wreaking havoc here sa ating ball game actually. Kanina pa na si Christopher Gupit. Marco Jumawa. Salamat sa mother ni Marco Jumawas. Let's go, Khalifa from Elizar, Jainal, Paris. Napakasosyala naman ang apelido. Paris. Ronnie Dale Gallo with a charity ball. And that gives him another shot. Let's go, RBI from May Santiago.
Sino po yung mananalo dito sa ating first game? They will proceed to our final round, which will be on Thursday.
Nailing that 2 free throws. And the ball with RBI. They're looking for... Oh no, June RC is resting. Of course, he needs that gas.
58
guys, yung Christopher Gupit. Shoutout John Carl Matubang from Jackie Reigns. Fourth na rin si Gupit. Meron pa tayong isa pang quarter, so he cannot afford to be fouled out here. Let's go, Jake Garcia, John Estrelas from May Santiago. Gallo. Araneta, the pride of Bungyao. Like to take our sponsor, syempre, Alavar, Adex, and Zamboanga Valientes. So watch out po para sa Asian tournament ng Zamboanga Valientes. So of course, Zamboanga Valientes fields in mga local players natin, giving them opportunities to really showcase their skills and talent. Grabe kaliit lang, pero hustle on getting the ball. Alejandro was fourth personal na din si Alejandro. Laban habol, RBI, Mio Kambal Jersey, John Estrelas, Jake Garcia, Mondejar. Good luck, Khalifa from May Halyari. So, sino kaya ang makakakuha ng unang spot sa ating on March 7?
59-82 million score.
Joel RC. Pumasok na si Joel RC. And they badly needed Joel RC. Yun nga lang, na-steal kay Jewel RC yung bola. Ba yung mga fancy pass na yun. Yung mga flying pass na. Sayang. Alejandro! It's not on the size, but it's the heart that makes a champion. Shout out mom, shout out Sam Cashier Joel RC from AJ Static from Badoya Jawaji. Go Abaw from Yushra Type Abaw. 82-62 is our official running score. So, madami-dami na rin yung errors ng Khalifa. And of course, RBI needs to capitalize those errors and convert into basket. Sayang, kung pumasok yun, wala na. Sabog. Golden Boys. Solo. Gallo. Ang sakit mo. Free throw line is Joel RC.
Making it 64 or 63. 64-82. Only just score. 64-82. In favor of Sim Khalifa.
No, wala na naman. Second time around. For Ronnie Delgado. Good luck, Raver Atante. Mayo. Offensive foul on Kumayaw. Fourth personal foul na rin si Kumayaw. Shoutout ulit ma'am, Rap Pirut from Toyong from Badoya Jawaji. If Khalifa will continue with those errors, yun nga lang. Abaw with that steal. Basang-basa ni Abaw yung pasang niya. Good evening, ma'am. When under 21, I think after paddle 15 under. So mga biyo, relax sana yung mga biyo kay managay yung sinis na pwede huga. Aprende man drop tamen from January. Kukit man naman. Pasmo 8-1. Garcia. 66-88 is our official running score. Pa-shoutout Burillo, 26 RBI. Pa-shoutout Ronyan Tabisa from Mark Andre. Another long pass. Wala na naman. I think that was Donar. Donar si Sayang. Hindi takot kay San Luis sa baba. Grabe yung bata. Grabe na Bieho. Hindi, I mean, Bieho para na 18, na 21. Shoutout Team Manea from Radsmas Malpong. Sayang pasang yun. Shoutout kung Shandy, hindi takore motor, andaera kami, mirali. Ara pagayot no, kusa yun. Hindi ka tako peral motor. Shoutout Jul RC family from Intan Lali. Pa-shout, watching from Malaysia. Samdex. Iba lang matangkad. Di takot kaso tapon. Jul RC, grabe. It's just toying actually his opponents. Nice assist there by Jul RC to Adante. 88 lang pala. Official running score, 88-68. 90-68. Our official running score, 90-68. 90-68. Ronnie Del Gallio was pulled for his second foul, sending Joel RC to the charity line. And that free throw is brought to you by Blue Harvest, Trust Maria's Tailoring, The Exclusive Shop, Croc Sports. Thank you, Croc Sports. Croc Sports will be giving away some vouchers to our individual awardees. Still there by just in time for the buzzer. And that ends our third quarter. We are now entering our final quarter. Khalifa is on the lead. 69-92. De, bata pa yan sa San Luis. I think nasa 16 lang pa yata yan. Matangkad lang talaga. Shoutout kay na Sir Linspetix na practice from Ronian Villaruz. Let's go, Khalifa. Go, go, go. Kuya Ronnie Delgan, Ronnie James Calum. Good luck, number 15 from Cyril Enriquez Elmidor. So thank you so much, guys, to our sponsors. Asia Lab Concept Store, Mayor John Dalipe, FJ Graphics, Sensation, Era Rasul, Alavar, Adex, Wanga Valientes, Harvest, Rasperina Cellaring, The Exclusive Shop, 89.9 Brigada News FM, Croc Sports, ang King's Collection, S3 Print Apparel, and of course, Samahang Basketballista ng Pilipinas. Guys, pa-check naman po ng guys, pa-check naman kung lag ba yung live natin.
from Christopher David. Foul on Christopher David.
San Luis was called there for his third personal foul. Okay, sige. Baka yung monitoring na cellphone ko lang nagloloko. Thank you guys for responding.
Kevin Galar.
So, official running score natin guys is 97-71. So, pasensya na kayo kung ina-adjust natin yung score kasi titingnan ko kasi sa scoreboard. Shoutout ma'am, Sir Jackie from Davao. From Amir Galbon. Shoutout kung David or David Kibilan. Zero na practice sa Buyat namin. Grabe man. Shoutout Ate Mason from Dubai here. Dubai, talunga. Ba't nandiyan ka sa Tulungatong? Ang layo mo naman, Remo. 99-73. Ang layo mo, nasa Dubai ka na. Yung nga lang, supalpal ni San Luis, yung tiran ng... Grabe na to si Christopher the Gladiator. Gupit. Outsmarting the opponents. Garcia. Na-steal kay Ando. Huli na yung depensa doon ni San Luis. 101-77. Kaya pa to guys. Go Ando from Khalifa. Dolar. 103-79. So guys, this is a semis, a crossover from bracket A to bracket B. And kung sino yung mananalo will be advancing to the championship. May business meeting lang with boss dito sa Dubai ate. Baka next year pa burger na tayo. Wow. Pwede naman sa championship Remo. Joke lang. Consistent talaga to si Remo. Pag hindi talaga to busy, nagbibigay talaga to ng pagkain si Remo. So, official running score natin, 105-77. 105-79. 6 minutes. Hindi pa rin. Grabe. Kung sino pang maliit, yun pa talaga ang nakipagsamayan. Kaya wag niyong maliitin yung mga maliliit kasi minsan yan yung nakakapuwing sa mga malalaki. Well, hindi namin nakita si Pat. Yung Sa Pangalyo. Ito na, papasok na pala si sa Pangalyo. No, they're still there by number 1. Yun lang, pinaon ni San Luis. Kailan championship at San natin, May? Dito lang. Wow naman. Siyempre, hindi ko talaga makakalimutan yung nag-cheer pa tayo dati for Lozano, di ba? Wisam pa pala. Wisam din Lozano. Ang championship namin sa March 7. March 7, Game 1. March 9, Game 2, awarding. March 3, Game 3, if necessary. RC Gulam, ba't hindi ka present ngayon, Noy? Shout out. Dolor. Ingat kayo Chandre mo. Kasi ingat sa pag-uwi, alam nyo naman yung mga sasakyan dyan. Parang lumilipat na. And that timeout is brought to you by ang King's Collection. Happy birthday, advance happy birthday kay Mama ang King. Esri Prints and Apparels. Diyan lang po sila sa harap ng St. Joseph Chapel. Mayor John Dalipe, of course, for always supporting local sports. 89.9 Brigada News FM. Thank you po sa support din. Up next will be Ibnerizam versus Hanea. Hindi lang dito sa Buangate, umabot pa tayo sa Dipolog kahit tayo lang dala. Ay, oo nga, alala mo pa pala yun. BRT Basilan yun, di ba? Kahit dalawa lang tayo, tapos kalaban natin yung full crowd, wala pa rin, talo pa rin sila sa ating dalawa. Those were the days, Remo. Nakakamiss yung ganun lang nun. Manonood ka lang, mag-cheer ka. Nakakamiss yun. Yes. Okay. I-regards na lang kay Mrs. mo. Regards na lang. Tsaka pakis na rin sa baby mo. Ano nga pangalan ng baby mo? Kalimutan ko tuloy. Kaya pa to, guys. Diyan na, na-steal na naman. Thank you so much. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga solid BFP since day 1. Kahit na nung nawala yung page namin, maraming salamat po talaga and we really do appreciate it. Kaya may BFP kasi nandyan kayo palagi. So kahit na nasa 55,000 followers na kami noon, yung mga solid talaga na BFP, alam talaga nila yan. Gaano namin kamahal yung mga BFP supporters namin. Yes naman, champion team natin doon sa Dipol. Kinilig ka kay kasi uy, grabe, leaky ka man. Hindi, na-starstruck lang ako kay Fergus. Yun lang yun. Kahit ano na siya noon, nasa 40s na yata. Pero grabe si syempre mas pogi pa rin si Coach Joseph. Starstruck lang ako noon. Sa Dipolog ba yun, no? So guys, after nito, Nerizam versus Haneas. DMC Hanea. So sino kaya sa dalawang to ang makakatapat? Sino man ang mananalo dito sa game 1 natin? Pure regards din sa ate from us, me my baby trophy. Yun talaga ang name niya, Remo, baby trophy.
30 seconds to shoot for Team Khalifa.
Gumayaw. Is it already safe to say kung sino ang will be taking the first seat in our World Championship? 117-19.
Yeah.
Full name, Erwan Yusef Danny Remo. Grabe naman yung pangalan. Si Erwan, asawa ni Ann Curtis. Danny, parang Danny Siegel yata. Hindi kaya palaging magiging huli yung anak mo, Remo, sa school. Ronnie James Gallo for yun nga lang natapik ang bola. RBI in the ball and easy basket there. Loyal baby since day one, pandemic pa interview. Wow, thank you so much. Alam ko naman talaga, Remo. Alam ko talaga, you will always be our number one supporter. And we really do appreciate you. Gumayaw. Sasayaw ba? Pinasa kay Ronnie James Gallo. Ay, hindi pala. Kense?
Andrina.
Hindi pala si Ronnie. Parang si Ronnie yung sa malayo. Pasensya na guys, medyo malabo na yung paningin natin. Tumayaw, sumasayaw. Baka naman BFB short lang na po. Pwede. Sige lang. Don't worry. And that's already safe to say that Khalifa will be on the first seed for our championship. Congratulations to the powerhouse Khalifa. And of course, kudos to RBI Ignite for making it here all the way. So, tingnan natin kung sino ang makakalaban ng Team Khalifa. Stay tuned pa rin guys. Next game will be DMS Sanea versus Ibn Rizal.